Hello everyone, and welcome back to TechSavvy Insan. Today, we're diving into one of the most fascinating and rapidly evolving technologies of our time, generative AI. If you've ever wondered how AI can create art, write stories, or even design products, then this video is for you. Let's break it down in simple terms with real-world examples, so you can truly grasp the impact of this game-changing technology. First things first. What is generative AI? Traditional AI systems analyze data and provide answers or make predictions. Generative AI, on the other hand, creates new content, whether it's text, images, videos, music, or even code. Imagine giving a computer a description and it generates a painting or writes a poem. Sounds cool, right? Think of tools like ChatGPT, where you type in a question or a prompt and it generates human-like responses. Or DALL, which turns text descriptions into vivid, lifelike images. So, how does it all work? At the heart of generative AI are advanced machine learning models like GANs, generative adversarial networks, and transformers. These models learn patterns from massive datasets like books, images, or videos, and then use that knowledge to create new content. It's like teaching an artist by showing them millions of artworks and then asking them to create something unique. For instance, OpenAI's Jukebox can compose music in different genres and styles, blending creativity and technical precision. Generative AI isn't just for fun, it's transforming industries. Let's look at some practical applications. Marketers use tools like Canva AI to create professional designs instantly. Writers use AI for drafting articles, emails, or even scripts like this one. In medicine, AI is helping design new drugs by simulating molecular structures, speeding up research that could save lives. Gaming and film industries use AI to generate realistic characters, scripts, and even entire scenes, making production faster and more creative. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Generative AI comes with challenges too. For example, deepfake technology can be misused to create fake videos, raising questions about authenticity and trust. If the training data has biases, the AI's outputs might reflect them, leading to unfair or harmful results. Training these models requires massive computational resources, impacting the environment. So, what does the future hold for generative AI? We are just scratching the surface of its potential. Imagine AI helping students learn in personalized ways, artists collaborating with AI to push creative boundaries, and businesses automating mundane tasks to focus on innovation. The possibilities are endless. Generative AI is redefining what's possible in the digital age. While it's essential to address the challenges, there's no denying the incredible opportunities it brings. What are your thoughts on generative AI? Share them in the comments below. And if you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into trending technologies. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.